We're going to cover two different verbs today, and the reason we're going to do two is because they basically conjugate exactly the same. All right?
Maybe 3 more after that?
No, I'm going to introduce 2 more irregulars, and then we'll do the 5-a-day.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Like Ear and Sarah?
Lost me there.
What?
Is it like Ear and Sarah?
Very similar, but they're not twins. They're very similar. Okay, the first one we're going to talk about is dar. What does dar mean?
To give.
To give. Good. So, dar means to give, and there's they link dar and ver together because their conjugation patterns match. You just change the letter. So D and V gave and saw.
What's the other verb?
Ver, and we'll get to that in a minute. So dar means to give. Here's your present tense. Remember, it's irregular in the yo form. So doy, das, da, damos. Don't worry about the vosotros. Dan. That should be kind of familiar to you. Chandler, you can move up if you need to. All right. So there's your regular, your present tense forms. Now let's look at the preterite. D. It's an AR verb, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So AR verbs, the yo form, it usually ends with what?
An E.
An E. So there's your first issue right there,
Ooh.
because it's D with an I, not an E. Diste, dio, dimos, dieron.
Diste.
Are there no accents?
And there's no accent marks. Yay! No accents in dar. So basically what you're doing is you're following the ER and IR endings, but with a D. So D, diste, dio, dimos, dieron.
Alright.
Okay, easy peasy,
Lemon squeezy.
lemon squeezy. There's no accent marks to worry about. Yay. And that's all there is to it.
Great.
Okay?
Sounds fun.
Questions over Dodd?
There.
Okay, let's. Okay, so here's ver. Ver means what? To see. Just looking at and seeing whatever. This is the most passive of those verbs. Okay, remember once again, D and V, gave and saw. We link them together because their conjugation patterns are exactly the same, just with a different consonant. So let's look at the present tense. Veo, ves, ve, vemos, ven.
What's the third one?
Veo, ves, ve, vemos, ven. Okay? Now here's the preterite tense. This isn't quite as irregular as daughter was because it's an ER verb. So it pretty well follows the ER and IR pattern. Vi, viste, vio, vimos, vieron. Just like daughter, but with a V instead of a D. So they're kind of like first cousins. Yeah, our siblings with different hair color. I like that one too. Questions over ver? No? Okay.